Today I would like to recite an Islamic poem is written by Amina Hassan. In the stillness of the night, I seek your guidance. Oh, so bright, the stars align, the moon glows. The reflection of your beauty that shows. In every verse, a message clear, a reminder of your presence dear. The Quran's wisdom, it is rare, a gift from you beyond compare. In prayer, I find my peace. A connection to your eyes, my heart beats fast. My soul's taken flight. In your love, I shine so bright. So guidance me on this journey along, and keep me strong where I belong. In your path, I will follow and find my way back to my home. Assalamu
alaikum. I am Tabriz. I am going to recite interested poem written by Khadija Mansur. If Allah can provide food for the birds in the sky, if He can provide bones for the dogs that pass by you, if He can shelter for the homeless man, then surely provide for you can He. If He could bring floods to the lands on dry, if He can the sun without strings to tie, if He could create you so perfect from sand, then surely whatever you want Him to do, He can. If He could have a baby born without intervention, if He could bring honor to this great nation, if He can lend someone lifespan, then surely resolve your grief He can. If for Maryam and Musa, He could cause a river to the altar its course, if He can cause the sun and moon orbit to pause, if for Musa He caused the sea to part, if for the people of Thamud He made molding rock with the bare hands their art, then oh my dear, what do you think? He isn't waiting to give you that jump start. If He could cause a blind man to see, if He could cure leprosy, if He can control the movement of every ant and every bee, then oh my dear, what make you think? He won't catch you when you fall. By saying this I conclude. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A Bari poet among Bari community who is presently unknown and trying to be a good. He is my author named Mubin Kemal. He wrote the Ihsaniyan. In Al-Ihsan Hall, where dreams take flight, have become of knowledge, pure and bright. With mind unborn, creative flows, in help possibility where wisdom grows. He tells her a canvas white and clear, painting a future free from fear. From the Quran's light to new skills gained, in every lesson, greatness is attained. Orphans find hope and the destitute stand all. In Al-Ihsan care, they conquer all. Exhale creativity, lets it bloom. In Esplorica's embrace, there's endless room. A man of truth, a man of grace, He led us to a holy place, guiding us with a gentle hand, in His eyes a mercy shown, teaching us where and not alone. In Al-Ihsan Hall, where dreams take flight, a beacon of knowledge, pure and bright, with a minds with blown, creative flows, in help possibility where wisdom grows. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Be like Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A poem for the beloved of God by Sheikh Hamza Yusuf. The sun solemnly stated, how can my light compare to his? And the moon laughed, be like me.
content to reveal another's light. The North Star declared, "What guidance can I provide next to his?" And all the stars exclaimed, "Be like us, who revolve around you and show no envy." The sea shouted, "What secrets can I contain when compared to his wonders?" The clouds pleaded, "Be like us, exalted in the sky, because we humbly draw our water from another and pour forth in gratitude and service." The rose ruefully remarked, "What beauty do I have next to his?" The mirror said, "Be like me, who can only reflect another's beauty." Reason exclaimed, "What wisdom can I reveal next to his revelation?" The tongue replied, "Be still and let me quote him." Gold complained, "What worth do I have next to his?" Copper cried, "What ingratitude! Your purity was his from the start. Be happy to be compared to him." The dog barked, "He mentioned me." The cat mewed, "He petted me." The donkey brayed, "He rode on me." The horse neighed, "He called me an ocean." The camel grunted, "I took him to safety." The frog croaked, "I was his favorite." The spider stood tall on 8 legs and stately stated, "I protected him once." The cloud boasted, "I shaded him." The tree declared, "He called me and I bowed him." The palm trunk said, "Well, he hugged me." The date gloated, "I was sweet for him." Milk exulted, "I nourished him." Water croaked, "I quenched his thirst." The Kaaba shouted, "He circled me." The Yemeni corner replied, "He touched me." The black stone laughed and said, "He kissed me." The pebbles yelled, "We praised God in his palm." The mountains of Makkah called out, "He loved us." Medina dimly whispered, "He chose me." And humanity cried, "Nafsi, nafsi, me. And God said, "Be like Ahmad." And Ahmad said, "Ummati, ummati, my community. And God replied, "We will grant you until you are content." Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shamir. Today I am going to recite a very interesting poem written by Fatima Mamun. The title of the poem, "The Most Honored Month." The month that's help is nourishing the spiritual needs by worshipping Allah and doing a lots of good deeds. The month that's known for coming with chances of doing of good deeds as present, and the month that teaches a numerous and valuable lesson. It is the month of blessing and mercy. The month is which lies Laylatul Qadr, the night of degree. The night which is beneficial than 1,000 months. The night which is more rewarding than 1,000 months. Preciously, it is the most honored month, Ramadan. The most desired month, Ramadan. The point here that needs to be noted, whether it is or isn't Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Salid. Today I'm going to recite a very interesting Islamic poem which is very simple to understand, written by Murshid Shabir. The title of the poem is "What is the purpose of our life? Oh Allah, don't make it too long." Lessons from the pandemic. Here goes the poem. When people from around are trying to survive, I'm eagerly searching ways and waiting whether when will I die. Don't want to talk anymore about my useless life. Don't want to talk anymore about my useless life because I'm confused and completely broken to strife. May not have been so much better. May not have been so much better if I get caught up with this fetter. Can't believe that it's a great brutal loss, as it's not an issue, though there was no clause. Never ever dreamt even once, never ever dreamt even once in my life of those betrayal things. Maybe I believed blindly and trusted even my thoughts swing. Wasn't an easy task to lead a normal life with those pines. Can't explain just through the words as it's more to comply. Does anyone want me to teach you? Does anyone want me to teach you what life is about? I will choose to say that it's help to others, and I'll still choose to say obey my Lord with no doubt. Don't know how to judge my story, really don't know how to judge my story, because it's mystery filled on to feel sorry. I really believe that pandemic is nothing. The pandemic is nothing. We need to strive. It's His alert. It's His alert. The God alert us to let us examine what is the purpose of our life. What is the purpose of the following of the fellow's life. By this, I'm concluding my words. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة किस शान से अल्लाह ने उतरे हैं मोहम्मद हर दौर को और शख्स को भी प्यारे हैं मोहम्मद ये उसवत अफलाक में तकबीर मुसलसल ये खाक के आगोश में तस्बीह व मुनाजत समाए हयात है सीरत रसूल की फलक कायनात है सीरत रसूल की बंजर दिलों को अपने सैराब कर दिया बंजर दिलों को अपने सैराब कर दिया एक चश्म सिफात है सीरत रसूल मोहतरम हज़रात अजीज दोस्तों जब सीरत रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की बात होती है तब उस बातों की इल्म होना लगती है हुज़ूर पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कई किरदारों में हमें अपनी अलग अलग चीज़ों के तौर तरीके की तालीम दी है एक बाप के किरदारों में शोहर उस्ताद इमाम दोस्त ताजिर कमांदार के किरदारों में हम अपने निजी जिंदगी को कैसे जिंदगी को तौर तरीके की तालीम दी है लेकिन उन सब में अहम होकर एक रहनुमा के नजरियों से बहुत कुछ सीखा गया है एक रहनुमा लीडर वो इंसान होता है उसको देखकर उनकी तौर तरीके अपनी जिंदगी में कायम रखता है जब उस शख्स की बात चल रही है जिन्होंने इस पूरे दुनिया में एक नया दौर शुरू की ये वो रहनुमा है जिन्होंने सालों से रही अरबियों के बीचों की दुश्मनी को मिटाया ये वो शख्स है जिन्होंने औरतों को इज्जत और हुकूक लौटाया उसी दौर में बच्चों को जिंदा दफनाया जाता था ये वो बेहतरीन शख्सियत है जिन्होंने इस्लाम को इस पूरे दुनिया में फैलने की सबब बनी लोगों जहां लोग उनकी सिर्फ कुछ नीतियों को देखकर लोगों उनकी बुत परिस्था करना शुरू करता है उसी दौर में गुजर रहा है मुसलमान ना कोई बुत परिस्थिति यहाँ तक कोई तस्वीर के भी जरिए शिरक की और ना बढ़े। ये सब आका की सिकाई है, अखलाक का नतीजा है। आखिर में ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, सारे नामों से किनारा कीजिए, या रसूल अल्लाह या रसूल अल्लाह पुकारा कीजिए। और कहता फिरता है ये चांद आसमान में आज भी, या नबी एक बार उंगली का इशारा कीजिए। इस तरह कहकर मेरा तकरीर खत्म करना चाहता हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि ताला।